friends. I hope this makeup look doesn't look crazy. I have not done reddish eyeshadow in a long time, and sometimes it looks weird without fake eyelashes, I feel like. I thought it would be fun to sit down on my bed and just chill out with you guys and open up some packages that I've received recently. If anyone is interested, I can totally do a video on how I started receiving PR from big brands like, what do I have here? Benefit, Huda Beauty. I just got one from Rare Beauty, which I am super excited about. I guess you would consider a micro-influencer. I think you're considered a micro-influencer if it's less than like 100K, so that is where I fall. But I have been fortunate enough to have brands reach out to me wanting to send me stuff. Even though I don't have a very large following, I do get things in the mail, I would say, every few days. Like, I might have weeks where I get nothing, but on average I would say I get like 2 to 5 things in the mail a week. I would say 5 is definitely on the higher end of that. In the last like 7-10 days or so, I've received like, I don't know, 6 packages, 8 packages, something like that. So I thought it would be fun to just do like a little unboxing. I know Glam Life Guru, who I used to watch, she used to do unboxings on her channel, so I figured I would do the same thing because it sounds fun. I did have the thought that I could have unboxed all this and then put everything on, tried it out, but I am already ready to go. We're gonna just jump into unboxing things and talking about what I've received and whether or not I'm excited about it, and just in general seeing what's in all these packages. So let's jump into it. The first thing that I'm gonna open is this Benefit Club Pink box. Why don't I know how to open this? Here is what it looks like. This is a little package of some of their brow products, which are A1. They sent the 24-hour brow setter, which is fabulous. The brow microfilling pen. There's a girl that I follow. She uses that with the brow setter, and I've been wanting to try it, but I didn't have it, so now I have it, so I'm definitely gonna try it out. And then we also have the Precisely My Brow pen. That's a Brow Wiz type product. So that's what we have from Benefit. My room is gonna be a disaster. I'm trying to film this quickly because I'm supposed to go have some dinner later. Will we leave on time? I don't know. Oh, sweet! I got Anastasia Brow Freeze, which is that awesome clear gel that we've all seen people using on the internet. It's got a little bit of dust on it from the paper, but it's a little spatula-like device to scrape out the brow gel. And then also this is the Eyebrow eyeliner and mascara kit. I've tried them both. I really enjoy that mascara. I would say it has a similar wand to the Better Than Sex mascara. That's a really exciting package because my first brow gel from them was a little bit messed up. It had some air bubbles and stuff in it, so I wasn't sure if I should use it. This one's gonna be from Huda Beauty. Ooh! She has her brand Wishful, which is her skincare line. These are the Eye Lift and Snatch Instant Sculpting Masks. So these are just like eye patches that you can put on. I love that because I mentioned this in a different video that I am honestly quite insecure about my under eyes because this line here has just gotten like deeper as I've aged a little bit, and the purple underneath my eyes also seems to get worse with age. So I love any kind of like under eye product that will help with that in literally any way at all. Paula's Choice, which is a skincare line, they sent, and this is awesome because I have been needing something that melts away makeup. So this is the Paula's Choice Omega Complex Cleansing Balm, which is great because I've been trying to get away from using just a washcloth with makeup remover on it to take my makeup off because I know that it's too harsh for my face. I have been doing that for a long time, so I need to break the habit so that my skin can live her best life as I age in the future and now. So that's exciting. I will absolutely be using that tonight when I take this makeup off. All right, another Huda Beauty product. This seems like a foundation, which is always very exciting because face products don't come out super often. Okay, so this is the Faux Filter Luminous Matte Foundation in 120B Vanilla. I actually have one of these already, probably in the same shade or a really similar shade, so I might end up donating this one or giving it away. That's one thing too that's interesting with these brands, like they send out so much stuff, it's hard to keep up with it, and I could do a whole video on it, like a decluttering my makeup stash. I don't know why I'm shaking the scissors at you. It's serious. But I really do have a lot that I don't use, and I try to get rid of it as much as possible, like give it away to people. Getting products like this can be great, but it can also be sort of a negative thing because a lot of products do end up expiring. As one person, if you're not like an active makeup artist doing makeup on tons of people all the time, you can't possibly use up all of the products that are sent to you. So that's something that's, you know, interesting to think about when it comes to the influencing industry, because we're all getting sent so much product and we can't possibly use it all. So a lot of it ends up getting wasted, which is really unfortunate. On a less serious note, I'm gonna go grab another package that I didn't bring in here and open that one before I open the Rare Beauty package. Okay, so this one is really large. I'm not sure what's in it. I think it's skincare. It's from Milani. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out of this box. I started to open it the other day, but I figured I would wait for this video to do that. Phew, okay. Let's see what's in this box. It has, am I holding it upside down? Yes. So this says Milani Skin Fresh. It's got different fruits all along the sides here. So let's open this guy up. This is kind of what I'm talking about, where it is so exciting getting this quantity of products, but it does feel just a little, oh, this blush is a little bit broken, but it looks like they sent, in this first layer, here I'll try to hold it up for you so you can see, has a bunch of cherry themed things. So these are brightening, I think. Yeah, brightening mask, radiance oil, some blushes, lip scrub, things like that. That is what is in this first layer of packaging, and I'm holding these two things up because they're falling out. Oh, this poor box. I think I just like really messed it up when I was shaking everything out of it. All right, so the next level of products in here are avocado themed. So we have a clear lip balm, a redness correcting primer, we have a sleeping mask, we have a makeup melter, which, as I said earlier, I'm always excited about those. Apparently this stuff is only available at Walgreens, which is also important to mention. A conditioning clear brow gel, so I guess it's supposed to condition fine brow hair and never be clumpy. It's $8.99. A little face mask here and a avocado butter lip mask. Ah! Okay, we're moving on to the next one. Next layer is blueberry themed, and this is all supposed to be replenishing product. So we've got like a tinted lip balm down there, a face mask, lip gloss, gel cleanser, face mist, and something that just fell on the ground. Okay, that was the moisturizer, so that's what we have for this set. I'm really excited about this. I've needed some moisturizing products lately to try out. And last but not least, this is the peach layer for illuminating. It literally says on the boxes what the product does. I've just been trying to guess this whole time. So this is meant to illuminate. We have under eye brightener, tinted lip balm, a little spray for your face, hand cream, which is exciting, glass skin primer, lip gloss, lip balm of sorts, that might be a tinted lip balm, soothing lip mask, and then two different blushes. This one is in the shade Peach of Me, and then this one is You're a Peach. So that's a cream blush and then a regular blush. I'm really excited about this blush because I love powder blushes. I'm big on powder products, even though everyone loves cream products these days. I'm still pretty into the powder products. But I love Milani blushes, so I'll be excited to try that out. I really loved Luminoso when that was super popular. I still enjoy it, but I don't really use it that often. But I just love a shiny blush, so I'm excited to try out that peach one. Let me get myself ready. I'm ready to open the box from Rare Beauty. Let's go. I've heard such good things about their products, especially their face products like foundations and stuff. This is the package they've sent everything in. I don't want to mess anything up by holding it up like this, but this is what it looks like. It's in this cute little pink box. Here we have, laying in the top was this thing with Selena Gomez's little face on it. I don't want to look at the booklet though. I want to just see it for myself. A lot of times I won't look at the booklet while I'm unpackaging things because I want to be surprised. So I don't think I'm going to be able to take this out, but I'll do my best to hold it up so you can see what's in it. We have a bunch of different lip glosses in this package here. We also have these little pod looking components here that are blushes. So I'll open some of those up just so we can take a peek. These are called the melting blushes, and then we have the glossy lip balms. This is nearly neutral melting blush. So this is a cream blush. Doesn't smell like anything, which I always appreciate. The mirror is really throwing off my ability to show you the color. Let me just tap it. There we go. Nearly neutral. Oh, I will definitely try that one out. I love peachy blushes. This lip gloss and this lip gloss are both calling my name. I love lip glosses that are very neutral. This one, it also doesn't really smell like anything. It just has a slight tint of like lip glossy scent, but it not in like a chemically sort of way. I'll be super interested to try these out, you guys. I haven't tried anything from Rare, and this shade of like brown kind of lip gloss is something that I absolutely love. That's a color that I always gravitate towards in any line of lip glosses. Oh, this is actually a liquid eyeshadow. I was completely wrong. I was just guessing, honestly. I'll lift this up again so you guys can take one more look before I put everything away. These here are liquid eyeshadows, and then the bigger ones are glosses, and then we have the blushes as well. Alright, you guys, I hope that was a fun video for you to watch. I enjoyed filming this mainly because I needed to unbox all this stuff, but also because I really enjoy watching these videos and just seeing the different stuff that people I like following end up getting in the mail. I find it really interesting. Like I mentioned, I could do a video on how I started getting PR and what that experience has been like for me if anyone was interested. Per usual, I will list my social medias in the description box so you can keep up with me. I try to keep up with my Instagram mua.lydia the most often. That's where you can find me on a daily basis. If you have any questions or concerns, that's the easiest way to reach out to me. And as I said in my last video, I have been on YouTube a lot more recently. I'm trying to post every Friday and keep a consistent schedule so that I can really get in the groove of filming these videos. It's been really fun for me lately to watch this channel grow. So my goal is to post a new video every Friday, and hopefully this is coming out on a Friday. I posted today. Today is Friday. So I've at least done it twice. If you have any questions about the products that I've unboxed today, how I'm feeling about them now that I've probably tried them out, now that this video is out, let me know and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. With all that being said, that pretty much wraps everything up today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was entertaining. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed your time here. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this video for today. I will catch you guys on the next one.